They share our routines, our homes, our beds, and often seem to understand exactly how we feel. But did you know that our connection with dogs goes far beyond affection? Genetically and biologically, we share more similarities with them than most people realize, and that includes health. Today, we are going to discover 5 common human diseases that our dogs can also develop. Some of these will definitely surprise you, and knowing them could help save your best friend's life. If you love your pet and want to ensure they live a long, happy life, leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Diabetes. Just like in humans, diabetes in dogs, specifically type 1, occurs when the pancreas loses its ability to produce enough insulin. This is usually due to the destruction of pancreatic beta cells. It is very common in middle-aged or senior dogs. The main causes are genetic factors, autoimmune processes, or chronic pancreatitis. Signs to watch for: excessive thirst, polydipsia; frequent urination, polyuria; increased appetite combined with unexplained weight loss. Risk factors. It mostly affects older dogs, peaking between 7 and 10 years of age. There is a strong genetic predisposition in breeds like poodles, schnauzers, golden retrievers, and Labradors. Females also tend to be affected more often than males. Action needed. Unlike other types, in type 1 diabetes, the body reduces or stops producing insulin. This means daily insulin injections are mandatory for the dog's survival and blood sugar control. Number 2. Depression and anxiety. Dogs are highly emotional beings. Sudden changes in their routine, the loss of an owner, or profound boredom can trigger chronic depression and anxiety, such as separation anxiety. Signs to watch for: excessive paw licking, which can cause sores; constant restlessness, pacing, or refusal to play; excessive vocalization, such as constant whining or howling; lethargy, sadness, constantly sad expression; loss of appetite, and weight loss; destructive behavior and accidents outside their designated potty area. Practical solutions to improve their emotional well-being: environmental enrichment. Use interactive puzzle toys or licking mats to keep their minds busy. Physical activity. Establish a daily walk routine of 30 to 60 minutes to burn energy and reduce stress. Dedicated attention. Set aside exclusive time for cuddles and positive reinforcement. Specific treatments. In more severe cases, a veterinarian may recommend behavioral therapy, calming supplements, or even specific anti-anxiety medications. Number 3. Obesity. Considered a silent epidemic, feeding too many human treats and a lack of exercise cause obesity in dogs just like it does in us. Canine obesity occurs when a dog is 15% or more above its ideal weight. Shockingly, this affects about 40 to 60% of pets worldwide. This is a chronic inflammatory disease that can reduce a dog's life expectancy by up to 2.5 years. It also spikes the risk of orthopedic diseases, diabetes, and cardiovascular issues. Signs to watch for: difficulty walking, getting tired easily, and a loss of a visible waistline when viewed from above. Veterinarians use a tool called the Body Condition Score, BCS, which ranges from 1 to 9. The ideal score for a healthy dog is between 4 and 5. Treatment. Switch to specific high-fiber, low-calorie weight management kibble, and never leave food out all day. Portion out daily meals and monitor the exact amount. You can also enjoy your dog's company and go for walks to burn more calories or provide toys that encourage more activity. Complications. Excess fat tissue releases inflammatory substances, straining joints, leading to osteoarthritis or torn ligaments, and overloading the heart and lungs, which is especially dangerous for short-nosed, brachycephalic breeds like pugs and bulldogs. Number 4. Cancer. Unfortunately, dogs suffer from various types of cancer that also affect humans, such as lymphoma, melanoma, and mammary gland cancer. Thankfully, veterinary medicine has advanced tremendously and uses similar treatments today, including surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. Signs to watch out for: lumps or swelling that grow rapidly or change texture, sores that do not heal or abnormal bleeding, sudden weight loss and loss of appetite, lethargy, weakness, or extreme fatigue, difficulty breathing, chewing, or using the bathroom. Action needed. If you notice any of these symptoms, see a veterinarian immediately. They will perform a physical exam and may order blood work, ultrasounds, x-rays, or biopsies to make an accurate diagnosis. Number 5. Arthritis and arthrosis. Arthritis is the acute and often painful inflammation of the joints. Arthrosis, or osteoarthritis, is its chronic long-term development characterized by the progressive wear and tear of cartilage. Both cause severe pain, limping, and difficulty standing up. Just like in senior humans, this heavily impacts older dogs or large and giant breeds. Signs to watch out for: hesitation or difficulty climbing stairs, jumping on the couch, or getting into the car. Stiffness when standing up, especially after long periods of rest. Behavioral changes such as irritability when touched or isolating themselves. Shorter walks or a general disinterest in playing. Main causes: advanced age, genetics, breeds like Rottweilers, German Shepherds, Golden Retrievers, and Labradors are prone. Excess weight, and joint trauma, such as slipping constantly on slick floors. Treatment. A multimodal approach is best. This includes anti-inflammatory and pain medications prescribed by a vet, joint supplements like chondroitin, glucosamine, and collagen, physical therapy, hydrotherapy, or acupuncture, and home adaptations like using ramps, non-slip rugs, and orthopedic beds. Seeing that our loyal companions go through the exact same health challenges we do reminds us of our ultimate responsibility. They can't tell us using words when they are in pain or discomfort. That is why our daily attention and preventive veterinary visits are the greatest acts of love and gratitude we can offer them. If you noticed any of these signs in your four-legged friend, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Let's take good care of those who give us unconditional love every single day. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and see you next time. Turn on notifications so you don't miss our next pet care tips.